Welcome to 425 Kenilworth Avenue in Gulf Breeze, Florida. This home resides in the heart of Gulf Breeze and Gulf Breeze proper in the established neighborhood of Northcliffe. It is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home, over 3,700 square feet with a wonderful in-law suite. I cannot wait to show you all the bonuses that this house has. It also has a pool in the backyard as well. We are located just a quarter of a mile away from Gulf Breeze Elementary, Middle, and High School, so the kids can just walk to school, which is a wonderful bonus to have. We are 3 miles to Pensacola Beach and less than 6 miles to Downtown Pensacola. So just a wonderful, wonderful location here. All right, so coming into the main foyer area, you can see we have gorgeous hardwood floors throughout the living space. Very nice spacious living room with crown molding and recessed lighting. We do have plantation shutters as well. As you can see just across the way here, we have a dining area. It's suitable for a table that seats 10. Fully renovated kitchen with very unique, gorgeous granite countertops, mosaic tile backsplash, custom cabinetry with soft closed drawers, and we also have a double oven with a gas cooktop and a hood range, as well as a very convenient prep sink here in the kitchen. Just a very wonderful, spacious, open floor plan here. To our left, we do have a back door that leads you to the pool. I will take you out there shortly. First, I want to give you a tour of the inside of the house. We have some wonderful additional storage and pantry space here, all the way down in the breakfast nook area. Just off the kitchen, we have a convenient half bath for guests. And across the way here, we have some additional storage or pantry space. Oversized laundry room with some additional storage as well. Plenty of room in here for a nice folding table. The washer and dryer do convey, and we do have a utility sink here in the laundry room as well. So this is what I'm super excited to show you guys. If you need that extra space for an in-law suite, this is a great option. Or if you have kids and you want them to have their own hangout area. So this would be the second living space here with a wood-burning fireplace. Very spacious with gorgeous hardwood floors. It also has an entryway to the backyard and the pool area. It also has a walk-in closet for some additional storage, very spacious. And right here, we have a bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. So this could be a bedroom, and then you could use that as your main living space if you needed the in-law suite. And into the bathroom with a shower tub combo here. Also, we have a second bedroom or den over here, whatever your needs may be. You have lots of different options for this space. You can see we have some built-in cabinetry, and this is a very spacious room here. Definitely suitable for a king-size bed. And then just off this room, I just love the detail on these doors. Super unique. This would make for a great office space or home gym if you needed that. So again, just a wonderful feature to have. I just love this. All right, I'll take you up to the second floor. On the second floor, we have the master suite as well as 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom. Over to the left, we have our master suite. I'll give you a peek of the pool here from the hallway. So here we walk straight into the master. I'll take you over into the bedroom first. This master bedroom is 23 feet by 11. Very spacious, gorgeous hardwood floors. And again, just another awesome bonus feature to have in this house. Has a nice nautical feel over here. You could use this space for a home office, maybe a Peloton, or even a little baby's nook over here if you had a baby that you needed to have in the bedroom with you. So lots of options for this space. And we are overlooking the pool here on the back side of the house. We do have a walk-in closet here. Plenty of storage in this house. Our second walk-in is right here. And we have these custom cabinetry built-ins for additional closet space and storage. So again, so much storage here in this oversized master suite. Just wonderful. Here we have a gorgeous tiled shower with dual shower heads and a bench for your convenience. Beautiful mosaic tile and a nice travertine here throughout this shower. Water closet here just across the way for some privacy. And a beautiful double granite vanity here with tons of storage space. So just a wonderful master suite here. You're on your own side of the house. You have the stairwell separating the other two bedrooms, so you get a little bit of privacy over here. Here's our second bedroom upstairs. Got a cute built-in bunk here, so that's all ready to go. Put a little desk under there. Super cute nautical theme in here. And then the next bedroom over, they've done some cool funky stuff. Definitely great for a kid's room. And this bedroom is overlooking the front yard of the house here. And into the third full bathroom, we do have some additional storage up here as well. We have a double vanity with a shower tub combo, a linen closet, and it also is a water closet as well. We have a nice pocket door here, so definitely some additional privacy in this space as well. All right, now I'm gonna take you out back, show you this wonderful backyard. I just love all the matured landscaping in this neighborhood. We have wonderful towering oaks in this front yard. It's just absolutely stunning. And again, the location is wonderful. It's actually walkable to Publix and the Publix shopping center. So you have everything right here at your fingertips. All right. So out into the backyard here. Wonderful gunite swimming pool here with an open lanai, beautifully tiled, perfect entertaining space. So much room to have parties and enjoy friends and family out here. As you can see, the fence back here is in great shape. The playground does convey. Look at this entertaining space. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And then over here on the left side of the house, we do have a double gate, which is ideal if you had a boat you wanted to store or maybe some jet skis. You could pull it right here behind your fence on this pad. So again, just tons of space back here. Very, very nice sized lot here in Gulf Breeze proper. And we do have some additional storage over here as well. And the door over here on the left-hand side is the one that leads to that in-law suite that I showed you. All brick exterior. Another great feature to have. No maintenance here. All right, I'll give you one last look at the kitchen and living area. Just a gorgeous kitchen in here. Love these countertops, very unique. So again, this is 425 Kenilworth Avenue in Gulf Breeze, Florida. Please let us know if you'd like to set up a private showing. We would absolutely love to show you this gorgeous home.